In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Asana for team management. If you're looking to streamline your team operations and maximize efficiency, this guide is for you. Let's start by heading to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, click Login to access your dashboard. If not, choose Get Started or Try for free to create a new account. Once you're logged in, the first order of business is setting up your Asana team. Begin by creating a team, navigate over to the sidebar and click on Create Team. From there you can start inviting members, simply add their email addresses and assign the appropriate roles, depending on the structure and needs of your organization. It's crucial to clearly define the purpose of your team at this stage. Whether it's for project tracking, task management, or enhancing collaboration, clarity on this front will set the tone for your team's use of Asana. With your team established, it's time to organize your projects and tasks. You can set up different projects based on your workflows. Perhaps you have an ongoing marketing campaign, need a hub for content creation, or are developing a new product. Each of these can become a separate project in Asana. To keep things manageable, break your projects into sections such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Once you've organized your projects, assign tasks to your team members. Set clear due dates and provide detailed descriptions to avoid any confusion. Establish priorities by labeling tasks as high priority or urgent, which will help in managing your team's workload effectively. Asana offers a variety of features aimed at fostering team collaboration. Use the comments and mentions feature to communicate directly within tasks. By mentioning a teammate, you ensure that everyone stays in the loop. This section is also where you can upload relevant files, images, or links directly to tasks, providing easy access to necessary resources. To optimize task management, set dependencies to indicate which tasks must be completed before others can progress. For tasks that need to be repeated regularly, take advantage of the recurring tasks feature. It's perfect for automating routine assignments like weekly reports. Tracking progress and productivity is essential, and Asana helps you do this efficiently. Utilize the timeline and calendar views to visualize project timelines, which will help avoid bottlenecks and keep your team on track. With custom dashboards and reports, you can monitor team performance and make informed decisions based on real-time data. Lastly, Asana allows for automation of workflows through the creation of rules. You can set these up to automate task assignments or trigger automatic status updates, freeing up your time to focus on more critical tasks. By leveraging these features, your team will be better equipped to collaborate and succeed.